Hey guys, today in this video I'll show you how you can play Please Donate in Roblox. So keep watching till the very end and let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for roblox.com. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Here, click on the Create Embed at the top of your screen and then select Creations from the left side. Now, your Experiences section will open up. Here, a default place will be available for your account. Simply click on that. Inside it, navigate to the left side menu and select Passes from the Monetization tab. After that, all of your available passes will be displayed. All you need to do is create a new pass and name it whatever you want. Once you have entered all of the information, click on the Create Pass button to save it. Once saved, open it up again and go to the Sales tab. Here, toggle on this feature and enter the amount you prefer. After you are done with it, click on the Save Changes button and you are done. Now all you need to do is open Please Donate and get a stall by pressing the E key on your keyboard. You can see that the passes I have created are being displayed on the stall. Now you can also edit the stall by pressing the same key again. Simply select the feature you want to edit and that's it. So that's basically how you can play Please Donate in Roblox. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.